Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to check graphic card or install in your Windows 11 and your PC. So how can check it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows. Once you open your Windows settings, go to your display tab. After doing this tab, go to your advanced display. Now after opening that, you can go to your display adapter property for display. And after doing this tab, now pop up a new pop-up windows open, and in the adapter tab, now you can see that the name of the graphic card in my case is AMD Fire Pro W700. Now here is a memory. So this is a memory and this is a proper name of the your graphic cards. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.